Good afternoon. I'm Marla Ellerman. I'm publisher of Mobile Marketing and Technology Online and the executive director of the Mobile Payment Show. We're here at Transact today with Richard Hahn, who's vice president of sales for Northern Leasing, and he's going to tell us about 3 new products that they have coming out. And thank you for joining us today.
My pleasure. Thank you for taking the time to interview me.
Yes, no problem. So tell us about the first release that you have here.
Okay, let me tell you quick 3 benefits that we think we can offer agents and ISOs attending the show. The first thing that we're rolling out in the show is that we've actually developed a lease application that can be integrated into an iPad. And with that, with some of the newer credit card processing applications that are already existing on an iPad, by integrating the lease application allows for very quick review by the merchant of the terms and conditions of the lease, and where upon his signing, it's immediately sent to us for underwriting and an approval back to the ISO. So it speeds up the process, eliminates all the paperwork, and eliminates any chance of error on the application, which could delay the approval and the funding.
Okay, and tell us about how great you guys are with the leasing application. Since leasing has kind of been passé, now it's coming back. What kind of revenue can these agents and ISOs actually make in a lease?
Well, as you know, over the last couple of years with the where in the past, leasing was a major component of a salesperson's income. However, about maybe 10 years ago, with a few of the major players, due to competition, started giving away free terminals, which obviously may be good for the merchant, but, however, obviously bad for Northern Leasing Systems, but also terrible for a sales agent. Because obviously, to get in this business, you're trying to develop a long-term portfolio, maybe making $50 a month on your typical monthly residual, but removing the lease sale removes $1,700 from your pocket every time you were placing a terminal. So the free terminal program was disastrous for the sales agent. However, we're actually seeing the pendulum swinging back the other way, and a lot of it has to do with the introduction of the new EMV terminals. As you know, by another 14 months, every terminal in the US will have to be upgraded to EMV capability. This provides a gold mine opportunity for salespeople to really start to make some money again in the business like they did in the past. And obviously, since we're doing over 4,000 leases a month, we know the merchant will buy the lease. It's going to take a little bit more education of the newest salespeople who maybe kind of forgot about leasing, but now is the time to jump back in. I actually have people who I've been doing business with 10, 15 years ago calling me up, saying that they're sick of giving away free terminals. They can't hire salespeople because there's no money in the business. With the EMV, this is the time to get back into leasing. So
now, are you guys working with any of the key manufacturers of the equipment, or are you not picking one?
We're agnostic to equipment manufacturers and types. We'll lease any type of terminal. We lease POS systems. And so I think it's a great time to jump back in the business.
Well, great. Thank you so much for your time, and we appreciate you sharing all that great information with our watchers. Thanks for watching.